But everything is always long in the arms. We've had this discussion before. Everything is always long in the arms with me because I got short, little, weird arms. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Misty Show. It's another Stitch Fix unboxing. We got lots of things in the, well, we've got 5 things in this box because that's what you get in your Stitch Fix. So there are a couple different options. We know the drill. We've done Stitch Fix videos before, but if you are new here and you've never heard of Stitch Fix, or you're curious about Stitch Fix, well, there are a couple options. These are fixes and you can get them monthly. I get mine sometimes a couple times a month because, well, there's some things that you can do. You can do a fix, which is a monthly. It's not even a subscription. You fill out a styling fee or stylist fee. It's $20. That $20 that you pay gets credited back to your account. If you don't like any of the items in the box, you can return them all. It's free shipping. It's so incredibly easy to return these items. Maybe you want to keep 1. Maybe you want to keep 5. If you do keep all 5 things, you get a percentage off of your box. And we'll have to do the Misty math at the end of the video after we try all these on to see what I want to keep and what I want to send back. When we open this box up, I'll show you. They send you a pre-packaged envelope. You just throw all the stuff that you don't want in, pop it in the mail. You don't have to pay to return the items at all either. I will say that the best thing to do is to look at Stitch Fix's site, put some things in your cart, because they do have freestyle as well. The freestyle is when you just go in there and you just buy the things that you want. There's no stylist. You just go in there and you buy the things that you want. I feel like I'm sounding very confusing right now, but we'll do the Misty math at the end of the video and I'll let you know what I decide to keep and what I decide to turn in. All right, let's open up the box and let's see what is inside. Okay. Ooh, see? She listened to me because when I rejected some of the things that my stylist had said that I should get, I said, hey, girl, I got stuff in my cart. And she listened because this is one of the things that I had in my cart. This is well, let me get the paper out. Okay, here is my paper. My stylist is Christy. Hello, Christy. So here's the prepaid poly bag that you just throw everything in that you don't want, pop it into your mailbox. All right, so this first item is a Free People Movement High Peak purse. What is this called? High Peak convertible pouch in light blue. This reminds me, do y'all remember the gloves? They were called Freezy Freaks or something. And whenever they would be like this and then you'd go outside and then they'd change color. They're real puffy like this. So I'm getting ready to go on a vacation and I film with the camera and I wanted to maybe take some sort of purse, satchel, something that wasn't a huge bag, but that my camera would still fit in. So this is a convertible little pouch here. So you can have it like that. You can wear it as a crossbody after you adjust the strap. I always have the hardest time adjusting the straps. There we go. So let's see. Oh, I like that. You can have it down here. My camera should fit in here. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. It doesn't open at the top like here. Let me take this off again. It doesn't open at the top. It does open like almost like a fanny pack. We've got on the inside, we've got all these little slots in here for your credit cards and such. You really can fit quite a bit in there. The MSRP on this is $48. It is Free People, which isn't free for the people. You gotta pay for the Free People. It is nicely branded. Oh, wait. This is my first day at the rodeo, apparently. Free People Movement. And I like the way that it feels. So, okay. You got a couple different options how you can wear it, I think. Well, you've got a little thing in here, a carabiner thing in here to make it. I don't know what makes it convertible because there isn't a thing on this side to where you could make it go any other way. But I do like it. And I think I shall use it. So I do like that. All right, we've got a pouch of stuff in here. Here's our nice little pouch of clothes. Oh, we got shoes. Ooh, they're heavy shoes. So I I got a pair of boots, a pair of black boots, and in one of my other fixes that I really, really liked, and they had them in brown. Oh yeah, there they are. Okay, so these are those boots in brown. I think they're Diane, who made these shoes? Dolce Vita. Not Diane von Furstenberg. That would have been really expensive. DV by Dolce Vita. They are the Daner Heeled Booty. The MSRP are $75. I do like these. I've worn the black ones several times. I didn't think that I would like them because of the heel, but they're not. They really are comfortable. We'll try them on. I got black leggings on today, so we'll try them on when we get like an outfit on here. Let me take out all this stuff in the inside, but they're very nicely made. I really like that kind of ribbing on the sole as well. And I've said this several times before, these little bags right here that the shoes come in your orders, they make really, really good travel bags to put your shoes in so you're not dirtying up all your clothes. I like the little sweater part, and they're actually really pretty easy to get on, especially with this little hook thing on the back. So we will try those on here in just a moment. But let's unwrap our little package of clothes. So we've got a turtleneck sweater. Ooh, this is really soft. It's made by Kylie. It's a Clea turtleneck sweater. Oh, okay. I love these turtlenecks that have kind of like where the ribbing starts on the neck. It's like a soft gray color, and it is super soft. And it is $49, which for a nice quality sweater is not bad. And this was in a size 1X. Wow, it's super soft. Okay, let me try this on. Okay, I tried on the sweater. I really like this sweater. I love the neck up here. I don't know, there's just something comforting about it. But it's a great length that covers the gut and the butt. And I like how it has this little slit here that kind of makes it a little bit longer. It's a little long in the arms, but everything is always long in the arms. We've had this discussion before. Everything is always long in the arms with me because I got short little weird arms. But I think this is really cute. I do have on the boots on as well. Let's go over to the mirror and I'll show you a full length. Okay, you can see over here on the side where you can see it a little bit closer, but I do like the whole outfit together with the boots and the sweater. These boots are great because of the sweater at the top. It makes it really, really easy just to pull them on. So I do like that about them, but I honestly like the whole outfit together. It's very, very cozy and I like it. Okay. The next thing we have here, these are, what does it say these are? They are Ivy Milan 2-pocket button pants. Oh, I'm not a slacks girl. I don't wear slacks. These are like navy blue Montgomery Post. They're size 16. Oh, this is a size 1X, by the way, I do believe. And the shoes were a size 8. Oh, I don't know about these. Every time I see slacks, I think of it being a uniform. I'll try them on. They're a wide leg too. You know, I've been surprised before about items. I'm not gonna try them on yet. I'm gonna try them on with this blouse. Boy, what are they trying? Christy, what are you trying to do? Turn me into a businesswoman? I don't know. Okay, so the shirt is cute. It's Fortune and Ivy. It's a size 1X. It is Fortune and Ivy Milan 2-pocket button down blouse. A blouse. I tell you, the fabric is really, really nice. It almost feels like it's silk. What are you made out of, blouse? Oh, hang on. We got to find what we're made out of. What are you made of? You are made of 100% polyester, not silk. That's not silk. So it looks like it's a very flowy blouse. We've got little pockets. It does button all the way at the top. And we also have these fancy little buttons here on the cuffs, but it feels a little stretchy. Okay, well, let's go try on our business attire, shall we? Okay, I mean, the shirt isn't bad. I really don't like the pants. The pants are a big no for me. But I'll show you the shirt. The shirt is very, very dressy, I guess I could say. I don't really have anything this color. I'm not hating the shirt, honestly, but I had to kind of tuck it in these pants a little bit, because if we untuck it, I don't know. Let's go over to the mirror and I'll show you the whole shebang. Okay, so see, if we leave it like that, I think it looks really, really sloppy. But if we tuck it in, makes it look a little bit better. I don't know if these pants are supposed to be a little bit more cropped. I'm 5'3", and they are fitting me perfectly like pants. So I just feel like they're just not fitting me correctly. They are a size 16. They are very nicely made. They're a quality made pants. How much are these pants? $49. I don't need dress pants, Christy. Christy, no dress pants, okay? But I mean, I suppose if I worked in an office setting, maybe. They feel really, really, really good. I just know me well enough to know that I am never going to wear these. So these are definitely going back. And I think the shirt is going to go back too, but we have to do the math. So let's go and do the Misty math and see. If it's going to be like $10 more to keep the pants, I'm actually going to return the pants and the shirt and keep the sweater, the boots, and the purse. Maybe. Let me go do the calculating for the Misty math. Okay, boys and girls, I am back with our math lesson. Lord, nobody wants me teaching math, anybody. But I decided that I'm going to return 3 things. I'm going to return the slacks, the navy blue slacks, that blue shirt that I had on, and I am going to return the Free People purse, because I tried my camera to see if it would fit in it, and it doesn't. And that was the whole reason why I was getting it in the first place. And I really didn't want to spend $48 on a purse that I won't use because it won't work for what I wanted it to work for. So we were returning that as well. If I would have kept everything that Stitch Fix sent me, I would have paid $224 because I had a 25% discount if I was going to keep all of them. Plus, I got the $20 stylist fee waived. So that's how much it was going to cost me to keep everything. If I just kept if I did keep the Free People purse, it was going to cost me $180. Well, I didn't want to spend the $48 on the purse. I do love the sweater and I do love the boots. So I decided to keep those 2 things, and I paid $132.68. I know that's still a little expensive, but I fell in love with this shirt. And I've already worn the black boots, and I know I'll wear the brown ones too. So I just decided to treat myself today, and I decided to keep them. So if you are interested in trying Stitch Fix out, I do have a link down in the description of the video that you can save a little bit of money on your first fix. Let me know in the comments, what would you have kept? Would you have returned it all? I know a lot of you have commented that it's very, very expensive, and honestly, some things are, but they are really, really nice quality items, and it's a little fun for you to get something that's curated for your likes. And it's just something fun to get in the mail every once in a while. And if there's no risk, if you don't like anything, you just return it all with your free shipping paid poly bag. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's try on with Stitch Fix. Thank you again so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the bell notification, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.